red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, black color, black color, blue color, blue color, green color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, red color, the alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use red color and draw G. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids now draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use yellow color, yellow color, the alphabets of H, and use yellow color, yellow color. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids again use yellow color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color, black color, the alphabets of O. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids again use black color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use black color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use blue color, blue color. W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids again use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Kids now draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, black color, black color, blue color, blue color, green color, green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. S I X 6 7 S E V E N 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10 T E and 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color. 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use black color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use black color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16 and use blue color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use blue color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The numbers of 20. Black color. Green color. White color. Blue color. Red color. Yellow color. Kids now coloring 2D shapes. Kids first draw hexagon. The shape of hexagon and use black color. The shape of hexagon. And use black color. The shape of hexagon. Kids night a circle. The shape of circle and use green color. The shape of circle. Kids, knight or pentagon, the shape of pentagon, and use white color, the shape of pentagon. Kids, knight or triangle, the shape of triangle, and use blue color, the shape of triangle. Kids, knight or heart, the shape of heart, and use red color, the shape of heart. Kids, lastly draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use yellow color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.